To draw a tin of shaving foam, we're going to start with the nozzle. So it's like a little diamond. And then I'm going to draw a little L shape in there. And then we're going to go back like that. And then we're going to put this kind of ellipse shapey thing on the end there as well. And that comes back to there. Now, this is where the magic happens. We're going to put that down at an angle. And that down at an angle like that, and join them with a curve. And then the can has this kind of dome at the top of it, like that. And then kind of a ring around the outside. Then you can bring the sides of the can down like that. Join them together at the bottom with a curve, and then an extra little bit where it's all kind of folded over. And then let's put a kind of a foamy logo kind of thing here, like it's meant to be shaving foam, something like that. And then another curve coming around there. And then here we can write foamy. And we might need to put a barcode in there as well. A little bit of shadow. Then all you need to do is colour it in. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can come back and do lots more drawing. Bye.